guys, what's up? It's Naomi the Crafty Savage here, and I'm back with week 3 of the Hobbii Advent Crochet unboxing. So, what did we get for week 3? I'm not sure. But before we open up week 3, if you have watched week 1 and 2, you probably would have, you would know that I'm like, well, what am I supposed to make with this? Like, is there a pattern? Let me tell y'all how much of a dumb I am, okay? So, it originally came like in a big box, right? With these 4, and it had this Merry Christmas from Hobbii, or Hobbii, however they say it. I don't, say it however you want. I ain't gonna judge. But anyway, so they have this little Merry Christmas card. Well, I set it off to the side, right? I'll be a monkey's uncle, right? There is the little QR code that you are supposed to scan that it tells you, what each box is. Now, they've released, and I don't know what week 4 is. If you scan the code, it does not tell you what week 4 is. They're not releasing that for another 5 days. So, yeah, so week 1, I was correct. It was to make, some ornaments. And, like I said, you do that, it takes you there the whole 9 yards. Week 2 was a basket, so I was right with the basket. Week 3, I know what week 3 is, but I'm not going to say it until, we open this advent calendar. So, yes, so it is not Hobbii's fault. It is my fault. I'm a dum-dum and forgot to scan the QR code. I need to get my life together. I'm working on it. It just hasn't happened yet, okay? So, for week 3, we got this cute little Christmas tree with like a hearts on it. Ooh, it's pretty. It's red box. It's got little hearts. Does that mean that it's I'm gonna love it? It's got some like weight to it a little bit. So let's open it up and see what it is. We have Kind Feather. It's like this greenish gray color. It's not showing the true color. From Kind Feather, it's 100% premium acrylic anti-pilling yarn. Let's see, it's 100% acrylic polyatrical. I don't know if I said that right. It is a 3 weight, and it recommends a 4.5 millimeter or a US size 7 crochet hook. It's got the knitting over there. Does it tell you? Oh, and it's 257 yards. So we got that, right? We also got this. Ooh. This is really soft. Peacock. Some brown peacock yarn. 100% polyester. It's got this like, kind of like almost reminds me of like eyelash yarn. So this might be a little bit tricky to work with, but I think if you use a big enough hook, you should be able to see where your loops are. So let's see, Peacock, 100% polyester. It's 71 yards. They recommend a 7 millimeter or USK. Yeah, so it's a little QR code that you can scan there as well if you have any ideas. Oh, they got a QR code here. You can do that if you need some ideas. See, what else did we get? Oh, we have some wooden buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wooden buttons. Right? What is this? Oh, we got some wooden hearts that say handmade. That is adorable. Ooh, look at this. Ooh, these are heavy. This is why it was heavy. That is awesome. We have some scissors that, I don't know if you can see it. Hopefully I can get it. It looks like a guitar. At least that's what I'm thinking. It looks like that is freaking awesome. So yes, that is what is in week 3's Advent crochet box from Hobbii Yarn. And week 3, if you scan the QR code, is for mittens. They will give you a pattern to make mittens. So, me being the dum-dum, you know, the last 2 weeks I forgot about this. It just took me halfway through the unboxings to realize it, right? So, but let me know what you guys think down about this, you know, Advent box for week 3. Is this something that, you know, you would like to get? Let me know. I think it's a nice little, like, selection. Some cute stuff. Ooh, knocking stuff over. But you know what, guys? With that said, I'm going to hop on out of here. If you're new to the channel and you liked what you saw, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. And I'll see you next time, guys. Bye!